This one's, it's not really that important, but it's kind of important. What?
Oh, you wet. You want something to eat?
Awkward moment when you realize reincarnation means that there's a small chance your dog could have been Hitler.
Look at that smile, Blue. Look at